Two companies on today's docket, both mid-caps going through structural transitions, but in very different directions. We've got Note, ticker 5243, and an IT staffing firm, ticker 9558.
Note is the story today. They just pulled off something pretty remarkable. Capital alliances with Kadokawa, Naver, and Google, all through third-party share allotments. That's a fundamentally different shareholder base.
Right, and the numbers back it up. Naver took a 7.4% stake, Kadokawa 5.2%, Google about 5%. Net assets jumped to 7.7 billion yen. Equity ratio went from 46% to 70%. They also wiped out all long-term debt.
And they're not just taking the money. They reorganized into 3 reporting segments, formally carving out AI-related business as its own pillar. Small revenue so far, about 100 million yen, but it's a statement of intent.
The financials are wild, though. Operating profit up 2,176% year-on-year to 539 million. Net income already 1.5x the full prior year. Platform metrics are solid. 12.5 million registered users. Content volume up 18%.
One thing I'd flag. They're proposing to double director remuneration to 200 million yen after diluting shareholders with 3 third-party allotments. That's worth watching. But honestly, with Google and Naver on the cap table, this is a legit platform transformation story. Completely different vibe over at 9558. Revenue up 11% to 6.5 billion, but operating profit cratered 36%. What happened?
Aggressive engineer hiring and heavy use of external resources. They're paying up for IT talent to chase DX and generative AI demand, but costs outran pricing. Net income fell 29% to 194 million.
And they just spent $603 million acquiring Copro Technologies' SES business. That's the job site Best Carrier IT. Closed in March through an absorption-type split.
So you've got margin compression from hiring plus a cash outflow from M&A. They still bumped the interim dividend 1 yen to 50, which feels stubborn given the profit drop.
They also switched to a company with audit committee structure in February. Standard governance upgrade, nothing radical. The real question is whether the Copro acquisition and the hiring build revenue fast enough to cover the cost base they've just built.
Note is the clear standout. Genuine strategic repositioning with credible partners. 9558 is a bet on scale through acquisition with current margins suffering.
Agreed. Watch Note's new AI segment revenue trajectory and whether 9558's profit recovers next half. Thanks for listening.